Hi everyone, my name is Thomas LeBlanc and welcome to my course, Optimizing a Data Warehouse on the SQL Server Platform. I'm a product manager at Idera. I work with the Warescape products for data warehouse automation tools. Working with data warehouses and SQL Server tools has been ongoing with me for over 20 years. In this course, we're going to look at the tools and resources available in SQL Server for optimizing a data warehouse. The tools are geared towards architects, developers, and administrators in the database realm. The enterprise information management terminology was created for items like master data, data quality, and extract, transform, and load, or ETL. This was all created for data warehouses. Some of the major topics that we're going to cover in this course include options for indexing in a data warehouse, using integration services or SSIS for importing of source data into a destination, master data management with master data services, cleansing data with data quality services, and documentation options including a data diagram. By the end of this course, you will know how to cleanse data with SSIS, including a data quality service component. You will also use Excel to add data. You'll be able to diagram a database or data warehouse structure and show the source and target columns. You will also be able to enhance indexes on a data warehouse database. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with these: SQL Server Management Studio, SQL Server Data Tools, creating indexes and tables, as well as data warehouse structure concepts. I hope you will join me to learn more about data warehouse tools when we go through the course Optimizing a Data Warehouse on the Microsoft SQL Server Platform.